Let's talk about jobs and work duties. What are duties? Duties refer to someone's position within a team. A duty defines someone's position. Each duty within a team has a particular responsibility or task. In order for a team to be effective, each member of the team must understand their role and the duties that go with that role. It is important that every role within an organization or team has clearly defined duties in order to be productive or successful. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of how roles and duties are important. In a manufacturing plant, if roles and duties are clearly defined, it will increase productivity, increase morale in staff, and allows team leaders to play to their employees' strengths. In a game of football, the team is made up of players who have a clearly defined role, who have a responsibility to either score goals or defend the pitch. If these roles and duties were not enforced, the football team wouldn't be successful. Google Form. Listen to 5 different people talking about their jobs and do the exercises to practice and improve your listening skills.
A. I work on Saturdays and in the school holidays. Saturdays are busy because that's when everyone goes shopping. Our shop sells clothes and accessories for men, women and children. I work in the children's department. It can be crazy sometimes, but it's fun.
B. I work during my summer holidays when I'm not at university. Oxford has thousands of tourists in the summer, so it's easy to find a job as a tour guide. I take tourists to visit the university colleges, and then we go down to the river. We go along the river on a boat. The tourists love the boat trip, but last summer, one tourist fell in the river. I love meeting people from all over the world.
C. I like my job, but lots of people don't like coming to see me because they hate dentists. Sometimes it's very hard work, but it's great to help people when they have a problem. It's so important to look after your teeth. D.
My job is very difficult, but I like it because I love flying. I fly planes that take people to different places on holiday. Most of the time I fly in Europe to places like Spain, Greece and Italy. The most difficult thing about my job is when the weather is bad. Snow and thunderstorms are the worst. The best thing is visiting different places.
E. I work in a hospital in the city centre. It's a very big hospital. I help the doctors with the patients. I give them their medicine and look after them when they feel ill. I love my job, but I don't like the uniform, and sometimes I have to work at night.